For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a press-on-nail business is a creative and potentially lucrative venture, especially as the demand for convenient and stylish nail solutions grows. With the power of free AI tools, you can streamline many aspects of your business, from research and planning to marketing and customer engagement, without needing a large upfront investment. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of launching your press-on-nail business using free AI tools, empowering you to build a professional brand and reach customers effectively. Step 1. Research your market and audience. Begin by understanding the press-on-nail industry and your potential customers. Use AI-powered research tools like ChatGPT to gather information about current trends, popular nail styles, and customer preferences. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, what are the latest trends in press-on nails, and what demographics are most likely to buy them? This will help you tailor your product designs and marketing strategies to fit the target market. Additionally, use Google Trends to analyze keyword popularity related to press-on nails and identify seasonal spikes or regional interest. Step 2. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Determine what will make your press-on-nail business stand out. Use ChatGPT to help brainstorm unique ideas based on your market research. Prompt it with, ChatGPT, help me create a unique selling proposition for a press-on-nail business targeting busy professional women who want durable, stylish, and affordable nail solutions. Your USP could be anything from eco-friendly materials, custom designs, fast shipping, or affordable pricing. Step 3. Create a business plan. A solid business plan is key to guiding your startup process and tracking progress. You can generate a business plan draft quickly using AI by prompting, ChatGPT, help me create a detailed business plan outline for a press-on-nail startup, including sections on market analysis, products, marketing strategy, operations, and financial projections. After receiving the outline, you can expand each section with the help of AI tools for more detailed content. This plan will be useful if you seek funding or want to keep your goals organized. Step 4. Design your press-on-nails. For product design, you can use free graphic design tools like Canva or Photopea combined with AI assistance. Use AI tools like DALL-E via free access platforms to generate nail art design inspirations by describing styles or themes you want. For example, create a set of elegant floral press-on-nail designs with pastel colors and gold accents. Once you have concepts, customize and finalize them in design software. You can also ask ChatGPT for design trend insights or product descriptions. Step 5. Source materials and manufacturing options. Determine whether you will produce nails yourself or outsource manufacturing. Use AI to help draft emails to potential suppliers or manufacturers by prompting, ChatGPT, write a professional email to inquire about press-on-nail supplies, including tips on materials, pricing, and minimum orders. If you plan to DIY, research the best materials and kits using AI-based research prompts like, ChatGPT, what are the best materials and tools for making high-quality press-on-nails at home? Step 6. Set up your online presence. Your website and social media profiles are your primary sales channels. Use AI to create a website plan and generate content. For example, prompt ChatGPT with, help me write homepage copy for my press-on-nail business, emphasizing quality, convenience, and style. Platforms like Wix, Shopify, with free trials, or WordPress offer easy setups. Canva also helps create consistent branding materials such as logos, social media posts, and banners. Use AI tools to generate engaging social media captions, hashtags, and content calendars by asking, ChatGPT, generate 10 Instagram captions with hashtags for promoting press-on-nails targeted at millennials. Step 7. Develop your marketing strategy. Marketing is crucial for attracting customers. Use AI to help plan your marketing campaigns by asking ChatGPT, create a 3-month marketing plan for a new press-on nail brand with a $500 budget, focusing on social media, influencer outreach, and email marketing. You can also use free AI tools like MailChimp's free tier for email marketing and Lumen 5 to create short promotional videos from blog content or product images. For influencer outreach, ChatGPT can draft personalized messages. Write a friendly email to an Instagram influencer asking them to review my press-on nails in exchange for free samples. Step 8. Manage customer service and feedback. Use AI chatbots or help desk tools like Tidio's free plan or ChatGPT plugins to manage customer inquiries and support. You can set up common question responses or generate quick replies by prompting ChatGPT. Create 5 polite and helpful responses to common customer questions about press-on nail application and return policies. Collecting and analyzing customer feedback is essential. Use Google Forms or AI-powered survey tools like Survey Sparrow's free tier, and then summarize feedback with ChatGPT to identify improvements. Step 9. Track finances and growth. Use AI-enabled spreadsheet templates or free accounting tools like Wave to monitor sales, expenses, and profits. ChatGPT can help you create budget templates or financial reports by asking, "Help me create a monthly financial summary template for my press-on nail business, including sales, costs, and net profit." Regularly review these reports and prompt AI for suggestions on improving profitability or scaling up. Step 10. Continue learning and innovating. The beauty industry is fast-changing, so keep using AI tools for ongoing market analysis, trend spotting, and product innovation. Ask ChatGPT questions like, "What new press-on nail trends are emerging this season?" or suggest 5 innovative ideas to expand my press-on nail product line. Stay active in online communities and social media groups to gather ideas and feedback. Conclusion. Starting a press-on nail business with the help of free AI tools is an accessible and efficient way to launch a creative brand. By leveraging AI for market research, product design, business planning, marketing, and customer service, you can reduce startup costs and speed up your time to market. Following these steps ensures you build a strong foundation while keeping up with industry trends and customer needs. With persistence and smart use of AI, your press-on nail business can thrive and grow in the competitive beauty market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.